What's up, guys? A very short update on the price of Bitcoin. Well, as you can see, we touched $86,000. As you remember, my kind of area, my preferred area for this drop to be over is between $80,000 and $85,000. However, currently I'm not so confident in this because when such a move happens, we can see something like this, and then the final move is like the deepest, the highest acceleration, and then we see the recovery, V-shape, or well, normally V-shape, right? In the current case, we have kind of one decline here in price, and there is no such a pattern which would lead to V-shaped recovery. Which means basically that most likely scenario, if we continue this trend, is that we'll drop lower for the a second wave, lower than in terms of the amplitude than the previous one. So it means that 80 is not enough, so probably we'll go something like 72, 75, maybe. Also, it depends, maybe we'll actually make a little bit higher pullback from here, and then it's like 75 to 80 is also okay. In any case, it doesn't look like the correction is over. We already see some kind of a weakness at this area, and again, mostly two possible scenarios. Either we'll go with acceleration, or the second option, which is still very possible because the market is ready to buy back all the drops, all the corrections, is that we see the divergence. So we will, maybe on a daily time frame actually, we'll see the divergence, lower low on the price and higher low some indicators. In that case, it's very possible that it will be the end of the drop. I would still argue that it wouldn't be that sustainable long term, so I would prefer to see it much bigger capitulation before starting the new wave to the upside. But even if we see something like short drop with this divergence, very bullish divergence on the lows, so that's still okay. But the least likely scenario is that we continue to go to the upside from here. I think this is the main conclusion that we can derive from there. Moreover, even if we continue to go higher, we still have a massive resistance right now at around $92,000. So we can see the pullback from that level, and from there we can see continuation of the decline in price. So yeah, that's the whole story. I think pretty much the expected scenario is playing out right now. I will still argue that it's everything which is happening right now is more or less a normal correction, so we shouldn't be scared of like a massive long-term bear cycle or bearish phase because of that. It's actually a pretty good opportunity to buy in a little bit cheaper than average. So that's it. Again, not financial advice, just my opinion. Well, you know that. That's it for today. I will keep you updated tomorrow what happens, and thank you very much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. That's it. Goodbye.